Hey guys, namaste. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Tutor Pratik. Today we are come back again with new session of HTML5 formatting of text using tags. Before starting today's video, if still you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, my humble request all of you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and like and share this video. So let's start today's video. The text content of a web page form an important part of a website. The text content must not only be informative but also be attractive. It must be easy to read and must have short and crisp sentences for easy understanding of the web user. To attract the attention of these users, heading must be appropriately provided. Also, text formatting options such as bold, italic, subscript, superscripts, and so on must be applied on the text. That's why we need formatting of text. Heading tags. The heading elements define headings for content such as text and images. They specify a hierarchical structure of a web page by grouping the contents into different headings. HTML defines 6 levels of headings that ranges from H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. The H1 element specifies the top level heading, which is displayed with the largest size. The H6 element specifies the lowest level heading, which is displayed with the smallest size. Software need for HTML. For coding the HTML, we need simple softwares like a notepad that we can have in our Windows as a default. Or if you want some advanced type of text editors, you can download Notepad++ or Sublime Text or Brackets, etc. You can find these softwares on Google. Before starting our coding, first of all, we need to create one folder as a website. For this, I'm going to create one folder on my document. And I open that folder in the Sublime Text. After then, we need to create web pages on this folder. For this, I'm going to create one new file and save it as index.html. Now starting our HTML code with HTML tag. This is our basic syntax of HTML5. We have already doc tag and the HTML tag as a main container. After then, head section and body section. We already learned about the head section in our earlier video. From today, we are going to learn the tags that used in our body section. Let's start coding. We have some heading tags in our body. Like we used H1 and H1 headings and H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 heading tags. Let's check what's the output we have. Here we have the output of our HTML coding. The first heading one is of the largest size of the heading and the last one, H6 heading, is the smallest one. And similarly, the headings 2, 3, 4 and 5 are little bit lesser than the previous headings. After then, for formatting the contents like making bold, italics, underline and so on, we have another tags. Now we have some formatting text tags in our body. For example, if we need to bold any text, we can use this B tag. or if you need to make italic, we can use I tag. Similarly, if we need the underline, we can use the U tag. And for making strong emphasis the text as compared to its surroundings, we can use a strong tag. For to make any text as a subscript, we can use sub tag, and for superscript we can use sub tag. Now save our coding and let's check it in our browser. Here we can see the text enclosed by our B tag is bold, and the text enclosed by the I tag is italic, and enclosed by U tag is underlined, and the text that enclosed by the strong tag is little bit emphasized as compared to its surrounding. And here for writing these types of scientific equations, number 2 is need to be as subscript, so we use sub tag for this types of equation typing. Similarly, for some algebraic equations, while we need some superscripts, we can use sup tag as a superscript. That's it for today's session. We will come back again with new session with new topics. Until that, take care and goodbye.